Interlis Company is one of the largest manufacturers of laminated hardwood products in Europe. Founded in 2016, we proudly look back at the successes and the dynamic development of our company. We specialize in the production of furniture, construction panels, and other glued panels from oak and other hardwoods used in construction, decoration, and furniture making. Our team of more than 500 specialists ensures a monthly production of up to 1,500 cubic meters of finished products. We are not only growing our production volume, but are also constantly improving and modernizing our production facilities and machines, thereby guaranteeing the highest product quality. Thanks to our own 3 megawatt substation and a 7 megawatt boiler house, our production works without interruptions. Our priorities are product quality, reliable delivery lead times, and trustworthy partnerships. That's why we can proudly say that we have become the largest manufacturer of hardwood laminated glued lumber products in Europe. We successfully export our products to more than 20 countries around the world. Our company is constantly evolving. We are currently expanding our production capacities by building 2 new production hangars, one with an area of 3,000 square meters and the other of 8,000 square meters. In these new production hangars, we plan to test new machines and equipment to bring advanced wood processing technologies to the market. We are constantly developing new products and implementing innovative material processing methods. Interlis Company is your reliable partner in the world of woodworking. Always one step ahead, we produce our high-quality products for your success.